riddle me this, riddle me that. Guess me this riddle, and perhaps not. You find it at the northeastern tip of the island, with your 2 feet planted on 814 square kilometers of land. If you're in St. Thomas and look north, you'll see it. And if you're in St. Mary, heading east, you can't miss the street. Walk with us as we journey this natural beauty and explore the stories behind 4 places perfect to the place in this paradisiac Portland. Okay guys, so one of our first stops in Portland is at the Charlestown Maroon village. This is one of 5 Maroon settlements in the island.
Welcome to our museum. So the museum in Charlestown is one that you can come to know more about the Maroon. We are like the Sankofa bird. We go back to our parent time, we take things from then, we keep it for today, for the generation to come. Come see. Come see. Wagwan. Now this museum came about was fully developed in 2002, but was opened to the public in 2003. Some of these pieces were actually at the members of the community's home. Hey, listen, before you leave Portland, you should definitely visit Fort George, which is at the Titchfield Peninsula in Port Antonio.
The Titchfield Peninsula was first occupied by the British in the 17th century, and soon after Fort George was built in 1729.
And this represented the outshoot of what Port Antonio would eventually become. The thing about the fort is that this is where all of the main offices for the parish were housed. The hospital, the courthouse, small little barracks to hold persons who had offended the crown. Now, over the years, what has happened is that the fort itself has evolved, and it evolved into becoming a school.
Wow, can you imagine all the details and eventful stories that this beauty has seen? After you're done touring with us, you should definitely go and check out the history of this place. But right now, we're headed to a place that stands about 45 feet, something that has lit the shore of the Eastern Harbor since 1888 and overlooks the Caribbean Sea that glistens by day. Where can I find the lighthouse?
Yes, darling. Go straight down the road and turn the second turn off on your right. And you go round and turn up on a hill, and you can ask someone.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.
The Folly Point Lighthouse is made of coral and limestone. It has been in operation since 1888 and is still active to this day. Made of bricks, it's fireproof, it offers a beautiful scene and a lovely view of Monkey Island.
In 1871 actually, a gentleman by the name of Captain Lorenzo Dow Baker sailed into Port Antonio. What he did is that he said to the people of Portland when he left, is that no matter how much banana you can plant and cultivate and reap, I can buy them. So that is how the banana industry started in Jamaica. As a result of that, persons were also staying in the parish as part of the world tourist mecca sort of a thing. It became paramount because of the amount of shipping activities that was taking place in the area that a lighthouse will be created.
Now, I did make mention of Monkey Island, and no, there aren't actually any monkeys in this area. But history tells us of a time when some spent a few days at this area. The view alone is something that will pull you in and trap you. Come now. And just by staying with us on this journey, you would have solved the riddle. Because it's not just about where we're at, but what it has to offer. We gave you just a small taste. This Pearl Portland has been absolutely good to us. A natural beauty with many stories to tell.